There is no caste system in Islam. Judging someone based on their ancestors' social caste is not only ridiculous, it's also haram. It's even more ridiculous when you try to apply it to Western-born Muslims who have nothing to do with their ancestors' social caste. So why do Desi Muslims in the West still talk about caste? And why is it that good practicing men and women of Islam who are looking for a spouse are rejected based on their caste? Why do our elders insist on perpetuating this ridiculous system? It's clearly haram. In the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that He has made of us tribes and nations so that we might know each other. But indeed, the best among you are those who are God conscious and practicing. So Allah doesn't favour the Sayyids over the Mughals or the Avans over the Arai or any other nonsense. The sad truth is that this caste system that a lot of South Asian Muslims still follow, it's a leftover relic, it's a remnant from the Indian culture system. And we need to get rid of it and we need to stop using it. The caste system is outdated, irrelevant and ridiculous. And if you call yourself a Muslim and you're using it to judge other people, you need to rewire your mindset.